C. Plane of consistency, body without organs. The plane of consistency or of composition, planomenon, is opposed to the plane of organization and development. Organization and development concern form and substance, at once the development of form and the formation of substance or a subject. But the plane of consistency knows nothing of substance and form. Hexaeties, which are inscribed on this plane, are precisely modes of individuation, proceeding neither by form nor by the subject. The plane consists abstractly, but really, in relations of speed and slowness between unformed elements, and in compositions of corresponding intensive affects, the longitude and latitude of the plane. In another sense, consistency concretely ties together heterogeneous, disparate elements as such. It assures the consolidation of fuzzy aggregates, in other words, multiplicities of the rhizome type. In effect, consistency, proceeding by consolidation, acts necessarily in the middle, by the middle, and stands opposed to all planes of principle or finality. Spinoza, Hölderlin, Kleist, Nietzsche are the surveyors of such a plane of consistency, never unifications, never totalizations, but rather consistencies or consolidations. Inscribed on the plane of consistency are hexaeties, events, incorporeal transformations that are apprehended in themselves, nomadic essences, vague yet rigorous, continuums of intensities or continuous variations which go beyond constants and variables, becomings which have neither culmination nor subject but draw one another into zones of proximity or undecidability, smooth spaces composed from within striated space. We will say that a body without organs, or bodies without organs, plateaus, comes into play in individuation by hexaety, in the production of intensities beginning at a degree zero, in the matter of variation, in the medium of becoming or transformation, and in the smoothing of space. A powerful non-organic life that escapes the strata, cuts across assemblages, and draws an abstract line without contour, a line of nomad art and itinerant metallurgy. Does the plane of consistency constitute the body without organs, or does the body without organs compose the plane? Are the body without organs and the plane the same thing? In any event, composer and composed have the same power. The line does not have a dimension superior to that of the point, nor the surface to that of the line, nor the volume to that of the surface, but always an inexact fractional number of dimensions that constantly increase or decrease with the number of its parts. The plane sections multiplicities of variable dimensions. The question is therefore the mode of connection between the different parts of the plane. To what extent do the bodies without organs interconnect? How are the continuums of intensity extended? What is the order of the transformational series? What are these alogical linkages, always effected in the middle, through which the plane is constructed piece by piece in ascending or descending fractional order? The plane is like a row of doors, and the concrete rules for the construction of the plane obtain to the extent that they exercise a selective role. It is the plane, in other words, the mode of connection, that provides the means of eliminating the empty and cancerous bodies that rival the body without organs, of rejecting the homogeneous surfaces that overlay smooth space, and neutralizing the lines of death and destruction that divert the line of flight. What is retained and preserved, therefore created, what consists, is only that which increases the number of connections at each level of division or composition, thus in descending as well as ascending order. That which is cannot be divided without changing in nature, or enter into a larger composition without requiring a new criterion of comparison.